Hello, stocks under the coconut tree, and today we're looking at Sensata. Let me tell you what is happening with this company. Hello, when we're looking for a stock, the two things I've said before is a revenue increase, as you can see, and net income over time. What do? We look at the graphs and have a look at Sensata over time. We can see from 23, we zoom out, it's been relatively flat. Now if we adjust for inflation, that's really a declining revenue. It's flat, looks flat in the graph, but actually in relative terms it's declining if we look at inflation. Look at its net income, which is this small yellow bar. It's actually again decreasing or flat. That's not a good sign. More concerning if we look at it, the company is its financials. Sensata made 127 million in 2024, but it's spending more, giving more back to shareholders than it actually has. It's overspending to shareholders by 143 million a year. Stock buybacks and dividends, it's 270 million projected 2025. It's got a debt of 3.20 billion. Its net debt is 2.6 to 2.7 billion, and it's got cash of 600 million. Therefore, 143 million a year projected. The company is basically spending it doesn't have, giving money to shareholders it does not have. This is ultimately unsustainable for the company, and long term it looks like it will not be able to sustainably keep this path going. If that's what's keeping the share price up at the moment, you can see this is the share price, and it's in a downward trend. It's currently at $32, but as you can see, it's going one way. This company is giving more money to shareholders and not reinvesting in the company. Therefore, long term, it looks like it's going to be in trouble. That isn't a sustainable business, and it isn't going to be lasting very long if you're not reinvesting the profits. They're spending too much for shareholders, which means it's hollowing out the company. Long term, this is not a good strategy. And as you can see from the financials, the revenue's declining, the profits are now not growing at all, and more money is leaving the company, going to shareholders and buybacks. The debt isn't going down, and the profits aren't rising to cover this excess spending. It means long term this company will be in trouble. How it refinances or how it deals with this, I do not know, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye.